Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into a powerful tool within Trello, Card Dependencies Power-Up. This is your complete guide for 2025. Firstly, we need to ensure the power-up is activated. Navigate to your Trello board settings, click on Power-Ups and search for Card Dependencies. Click Enable once it's found. The reason we do this is because this power-up allows us to link cards together and track the progress of interconnected tasks, making project management smoother. Now that we've done that, let's create a dependency. Select a card you want to be dependent on another. Click on the power-up icon on the right and select Add Dependency. This helps us because it visually shows the relationship between cards, making it clear that one task needs to be completed before another can start. Next up, you'll need to search for the card that the first card depends on. Once you've found it, click Add. This step is critical as it ensures your tasks are organized in a logical sequence, aiding in efficient project completion. But wait, let me explain why this matters. When you have a large project with many moving parts, it can be easy to lose track of what needs to be done and when. Card dependencies make it crystal clear what tasks are reliant on others so you can stay on top of your workflow. Now that you've got that sorted, it's time to check the status of your dependencies. Simply go to the card and click on the dependency. If the dependent card is complete, it will show in green. If not, it will be red. This is a fantastic way to quickly assess the status of your tasks at a glance. And there we have it. You now know how to use the Trello Card Dependencies Power-Up to streamline your projects and ensure tasks are completed in the right order. Remember, staying organized is the key to managing your workflow efficiently. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next guide.